Alright, what's up? Alright. Oh! I just got a box here from Primitive. Inside is the mystery bundle for their sweaters. 4 of them. So, let's see what I got. It's gonna be exciting. Last Christmas time, I also got this. But instead of 4 sweaters, I got 2 boards, 2 t-shirts, and 2 grip tape. So, that was like a 2-for-1 at the cost. But this one, I'm going a little bit different. I wanted some clothing, so I thought, okay, let's see what the mystery sweaters I have. Alright. I also got a special board in here. That's not part of the mystery, but I'm going to share it with you anyways because it came in the same package. So let's go. Oh, what was that? Whatever. Alright. Here it is. 2 sweaters, like 2 hoodies, and 2 long sleeves. That's 2 right there, and there's 2 right here. So a total of 4. And then I'm gonna show you the thing last. I got a free grip tape. That's that. We don't need grip tape right now. And my deck. All right, here's the deck. I'm gonna show you this side. This is the. All right, what do you guys think is the deck? Well, here's a clue. What is this? Bam! You guessed right. Look at that. Look at this. Naruto. Oh my god. I love the color. I'm gonna put it right here, right next to it. Oh, that's gonna look so good. But we didn't come here for that. So put that away. That's not part of the mystery. The mystery is right here. There's 4 sweaters. Okay, 110 bucks. Kind of expensive, but whatever. Let's see what we got. P-Rod, if you're watching this, you better have given me the best freaking sweaters that you have in your warehouse. Alright, I don't even know where to start. Like, I think these are the 2 sweaters. The hoodies, and these are the 2 long sleeves, but whatever. Let's just open this. I have no patience. First sweater. This is a hoodie. Front. Bam. I don't know what it is. I haven't even looked. Okay. A little bit of flowers. I rate it. Oh, it looks pretty nice. It's an eye. There's an eye in the middle. So I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Alright, that was the first one. Next. I'm just going to rip it. I don't care. Whoop. Next, this is another hoodie. Bam! Yo, this is actually kind of lit. I'm not going to lie. I actually really like this color. It's like a forest green color. Probably one of my favorite colors. Very simple. I like it. Just this primitive and gold print. Love the color. That's next. Third one. We're going to do this like hotcakes. Alright. Oh, this one's another sweater. Are they all sweaters? I thought it was 4. I was 2 and 2. Okay, black. You know, a little bit of primitive here. I don't know if you can see that. A little scorpion. Sting, baby. Black. Very sleek. Little small logo on the left. Love it. Very, very sleek. Alright, last one. Last one. Let's see what we got. Another black one, I see. Okay. This one is another hoodie. Okay. Oh, shit. Let me show you the front. This is the only sweater that has a back. So here's the front. Very simple, primitive on the front. Let me show you the back. Oh, that's the back. I don't even know what it is. I haven't even looked. Let me take a look. It says primitive. Dreaming is free. It has a picture of some girl and a clock, holding a clock. So that's pretty cool. Not bad. So there we have it. 4 sweaters. That's Primitive's Mystery Fleece for 110 bucks. That's what I got. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.